Before starting your slideshow presentation, it is crucial to thoroughly review the content you have prepared. Once all the information is complete, take time to carefully check and format every slide to ensure a professional and visually consistent presentation. Start by verifying that all images are properly inserted and are not missing or misplaced. Make sure that each image aligns with the intended layout and supports the message on each slide. Inconsistent or incomplete visuals can distract your audience or weaken your delivery. Next, review all the text on your slides. Ensure that the font style, size, and color are consistent across the entire presentation. If you notice that different slides are using different text formats, adjust them so they follow the same formatting rules. This helps create a uniform and polished look, improving the overall clarity and aesthetics of your presentation. Also, check the alignment and positioning of elements like titles, bullet points, and graphics. These small adjustments contribute significantly to making the slides look neat and easy to follow. This step is the final stage in your preparation process and should not be overlooked. A careful check of formatting and content helps prevent errors and ensures that your presentation flows smoothly and professionally when shown to your audience.